rain and strong gusts of wind all over the area between Monregalese and Fossanese early tonight. The storm continues in the area of Trinidad, Venezuela, Peru, Fossano, and Mondovi, the provincial fire command said. We are carrying out repairs for destroyed roofs, plants and some drainage systems, with a lot of people. In Yaltonero, as seen in the video, part of the roof of the Chapel of Our Lady next to the parish church was exposed due to strong winds. She was lifted from the impact and then landed on the roof of the parish church, which, in turn, was badly damaged.